Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Bob Enemchukwu coming to you again with another episode on the traditions and culture of the Igbo race and Africa as a whole. In the book of Genesis, chapter 12, from verse 1, the Bible says, "Now the Lord said unto Abraham, Get thee out of thy country, and from thy kindred, and from thy father's house, unto a land that I will show thee. And I will make of thee a great nation, and I will bless thee, and in thee shall all families of the earth be blessed." This brings us to an important question. Who is the God that the original Igbo race worshipped? The name of that God is
Chukwu Okike Abịama.
So who is
Chukwu Okike Abịama? Chukwu Okike Abịama
is the God of Abraham. Through pronunciation over generations, the name Abraham became Abịama. The ancient Igbo people were referring to the God of Abraham. The original Igbo tradition worshipped the God of Abraham alone. Secondly, this same God gave laws to guide his people. When we go to the Bible, we discover that the God of Abraham gave the 10 Commandments through Moses. He said, "You shall serve the Lord your God alone. You shall not make or worship idols. You shall not take the name of the Lord in vain. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Honor your father and your mother. You shall not murder. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not bear false witness. You shall not covet what belongs to your neighbor." All these laws are what the Igbo people call
Nsọ Ala.
In Igbo land, adultery is forbidden. It is
Nsọ Ala.
Killing an innocent person is forbidden.
Nsọ Ala.
False accusation, stealing, coveting another man's property, all are forbidden and called
Nsọ Ala.
So the question is, where did the Igbo people learn this from? They learnt it from
Chukwu Okike Abịama,
the God of Abraham, who revealed his laws through Moses. Brothers and sisters, this series teaches us one truth. The original Igbo people did not worship idols. Any idol found in Igbo land today came later as a visitor to pollute the destiny of the Igbo race. In the next episode, I will explain how these idols entered Igbo land, the consequences that followed, and how they have affected Igbo society today. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. I remain your friend, Bob Enemchukwu.